again, put down to a local nature reserve that up until a few days ago, well, a few weeks ago even, I didn't actually know was here. So it's just, there's a lot of steps. Look, see? So I'm just going to see what's down here. Take a few pictures, hopefully. It's very green. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what the day involves. Right, so up for my first shot. It's nothing overly spectacular, just lots of green. Fantastic grey overcast day. Fantastic, we're in July, middle of July, and it's like this. You know, sunshine, please. Just clouds, blue sky. Anyway, let's see if we can get this done. Being awkward. Thank you. No, not that one. Yeah. Right. So, camera set up. Get focused. Third of the way in, hyperfocal distance. I think. Must have read that somewhere. So, 2-second timer. Yay! First one. Onwards and upwards. One interesting part of this is there's no lakes. A few trees, small trees, but no lake, so no lake hunting today. That worked. It's a very sort of dull and brown butterfly moth, but got a good picture. Sorry, it's just a lot of branches and twigs and leaves and things down here, and really don't want to fall over. See, this is the sort of thing I'm on about. It's tad overgrown. But I suppose that's what makes it a nature reserve. I think it's a nature reserve anyway, but it's something like a wildlife sanctuary or something. But yeah, just like to see a bit more wildlife. Right, I've reached the far end of this path, so the only way is back that way. But get a great view from here. It's yeah, car park behind me. That's why I'm looking that way. Anyway, camera set up. There we go. That's the view. Let's see how it goes. Time to head back the way I came, so this path looks a bit more used. Crazy, isn't it? This place is in the middle of a town, an industrial town. I don't think so. You'd think I was in the middle of the countryside. I think I'm in the middle of the countryside. Those who live out in the countryside probably would disagree, but it's an amazing place. It's so quiet, peaceful. You can hear all the birds twittering and the bugs making noises. We don't have a lot of sort of hills and mountains and valleys and things around here. We have a lot of open space though, and a lot of greenery, and a lot of things that surprise you, a lot of things you don't normally notice. There's a lot of little butterfly type things flying around here. Wish I knew what they were. I'm a townie. I really do appreciate the countryside. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. It's not been a long one. It's not been a necessarily overly adventurous one. But running out of spaces here, you know. Ideas. Need to have a hunt round on Google Maps and things, see what's in the local area that might make an interesting vlog. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a pleasure to make. Anyway, stay safe. Bye. Ooh, entering the dark forest. Ooh. Those are the steps I fell down on the way in. Less said about that, the better. Oh my god. It's a Triffid. I have no idea what that is, but that looks just so weird.